2014 Keystone Cougar 27RLS. It's a rear living floor plan with slide out. You see on this particular one we got power hitch jack, dual entry doors, and slam latch compartments with magnetic fasteners. And there's a great example of the aluminum frame construction inside. Jacks on all four corners, big awning, outside speakers, alloy wheels. 27RLS Polar Package Half-Ton Series. Back side here, we got the spare tire, the big picture window here in the back, crowned roof, the rack that pulls out so you can bring along the bicycles or other gear, and our slide out is seen from the back side. Let's take a look at the inside. We'll open her up and we've got classic rear living floor plan. Got the big window with a couple chairs, little end table or center table I should call it there, matching lights, window treatments, all original. Above we've got compartments as well as compartments in our slide, more windows in the slide out, the super slide here, as well as a couple of different light fixtures, still have the plastic on them. Sofa bed, and this dinette makes into a sofa or a bed as well, I should say. You drop the table down, then you can fold the cushions to make it a guest for sleeping for guests. Storage underneath, entertainment center right in the middle here. Someone's added a little shelf here, probably for, I don't know, cable box or DVD player. Probably not the DVD because we got one built in here. There's an AM FM CD DVD below. Samsung flat screen TV, storage. Check out the kitchen area. Nice area for meal prep, dual basin sink. Overhead we got pantry storage, microwave, oven, 3-burner stove, wood fascia on the Dometic refrigerator freezer combination. Lots of pantry room here and some drawers. You can never have enough storage in a RV. Bathroom right between the living area and the bedroom. Looks like someone has made another cabinet here. It's got a little lock on it. We open it up. It's just extra storage. Probably take that out if you didn't want it. We've got our regular medicine cabinet, sink, foot flush toilet, our shower stall, skylight overhead, linen storage for a bathroom, that makes sense. And then the master bedroom up front here, we've got queen size bed. Looks like these look like these are made by whoever had this trailer too. Just little storage drawers, regular wardrobe, plug-ins on both sides, and of course there's storage under the bed, and another like a shoe rack here for additional storage. So great trailer, a great price. It's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.